Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can set up your Flutter SDKs and how you can set up Appwrite by using Docker. So let's get started. So for the Flutter, you have to download the Flutter SDK first. Just simply go on the you can just search Flutter download. Just go to the install link, install Flutter documentation. Just you need not to worry, I'll put the every link in the description box. You just don't need to worry. Here at the Windows, go to the Flutter SDK. Remember guys, do not worry if my current version is 3.7.7. if the version goes higher, if you are watching in the future, so do not worry, the steps are always same. You just go here and download it. I am not going to download it right now, I have already downloaded it. Okay, so I'm canceling. Okay, you have now downloaded the Flutter SDK. Okay, let's download Android Studio and VS Code. uh Guys, these are IDs are required for the development of an application, so I would prefer you download Android Studio and VS Code. So for downloading Android Studio, you just search it, Android Studio, and search it VS Code, and just click on the download. Just accept all the agreement and download it. So basically, I'm not gonna download it again. I've downloaded it yet, and here you have to click on download it, or it automatically start downloading. So let me just click it once, wait for a few seconds, it always started downloading. Okay, I'm just canceling it. Now everything is set. You just need to download Docker, because you can see at the documentation, and you just don't need to worry if you see at the what you can say. I think this will be your default page type. Okay, just go at this what you can say icon theme button. Just click on this and you will see this beautiful thing. Great work, Appwrite. Just click on get started. You can see the install Appwrite instruction. Appwrite is self-hosted backend as a service. You easily install it by using Docker. To install Appwrite, you have to install Docker. Simply to install Docker, just search Docker. You can also search download Docker. Okay, sorry for download Docker. Just go on there and download the desktop version. Just click it, it will start downloading automatically. I'm just canceling it. Okay, I hope now from now on I am thinking that all the things which I have told you to download, you have already downloaded it. Okay, let's set up it. So this is my download folder. Let me just open it real quick. Okay, this is my download folder. To start it, first of all, let me just refresh it real quick. Okay, okay, this, I hope this will be your download folder right now. Like, this is how I ignore the OBS studio. Let me just, okay, this is your download folder. As you can see, just do one thing, just extract all the files, extract all. Click on the extract button, it will automatically start extracting. Now this folder you see is the complete package of the Flutter. Okay, just copy it, Control C, go to the Windows and paste it here. Simply paste it here. I have already Flutter, so I'm not going to paste it here. Okay, so simple. And another step you have to do to set up Flutter as your internal and external. Like uh, if you if you just copy paste it and run the Flutter, it will not generate this type of command. Okay, it will not generate. To generate this type of command, you have to do one thing: go to the Flutter, go to the bin, click on upper bar, just click on it and press Ctrl C, or you can copy it, copy path. Okay, now click on the Windows and press edit system, just type it ed and press edit system environment variable. It will automatically open. Edit environment variable here. Environment variable, go to the path, double click on it, and new, paste it your path here. Okay, you have to paste your path here. No need to worry. Let me just tell you where is my path. Yes, check it. See Flutter bin, it is already installed. Okay, okay. From now on, click on OK, OK, and OK. And from now, if you start Flutter, it will automatically generate this. Here is your first step. How you can, congratulations to you, your Flutter SDK is now set up. Okay, okay, guys. One more thing I have to tell you that I forget to add on my video. So let me just tell you this quick. If when you just search on the Flutter and this command generate, just run another command, Flutter doctor. This will analyze what is missing on your system, or what is like what error you should look in. And the exclamation mark is a warning. You just need not to worry. You just need not to worry. Exclamation mark. Right take is a good to go, and Visual Studio develop for the Windows. We are not developing currently for the Windows, so you just ignore this warning. No need to worry. If you are developing for the window, you should download it. The VS Studio. It is showing the link how you can download it. Let me just open the real quick. It will say that you have to download Professional Enterprise. I'll say that go for the community version. It is free, and you will able to what you can say, uh many things you will be able to done with the community part. No need to go to for the Professional Enterprise for a learner basis. Go to the and anything like is not. If you have any doubt till now, or any error you have come, you can put on the comment section. I'll definitely solve the problem. So bye guys. Let's get started to set up your IDE. Okay, let me just okay, these two files has been what you can say, the okay, let me just start it how you can set up the Android Studio. Android Studio is pretty simple. Just click on it. Let me just see if this was working. Okay, we have to wait for a bit. Okay, and it's wait a second. Let me just. Let me just clear all the background process. I hope. Okay, this will a dialog box. I will hope this will. Okay, press on yes. It will ask you to install where is you wanted to, what you can say, where you wanted to install it. Click on next. I'm not going to install it, and it is pretty simple process how you can install the Android Studio. Yes. Okay, if you have installed the Android Studio, just go to the Android Studio, just search it. It will, remember, if you are trying to load Android Studio, it will take time. It all depend on your computer, laptop, hardware, like how many Intel process, RAM, or everything. Okay, just remember, if you are running Android Studio, you should have a higher end PC. Okay, or laptop. Okay, let me just close this project real quick. Process has been closed. Okay, just okay. So from now on, you will have to start the new project, new Flutter project. Just click on that Flutter, and here it is, Flutter SDK path. Flutter SDK path, you have to set the path of the folder project. Like go to the Flutter and just click on the folder. It will automatically detect the Flutter. Click on next. Project name, let's say this is your Flutter first project. So let's say project one, project first. Just I'm using Java right now. So just do nothing, and I'm using Android as a platform, no iOS, no Linux, no macOS, web and Windows. Yeah, I'm using it for web and no Windows. It is the beauty of Flutter, like only single code base and multiple platform it can run, and simple click on the create button. Just give it like 4 to 5 minutes, it will automatically generate this piece of code, this beautiful piece of code. Okay, from now on just listen to me closely and just go to the plugins. If you are starting, it is the first time your Android Studio is loading, you just give him some minutes to install or run. Okay, it will take a bucket load of time, it will take time. Okay, just you have to be patient if you are working on Android Studio. Okay, okay, there are some basic setup you have to do it before running Flutter for your what you can say, for your butter smooth experience in Flutter. So just see where I am hovering my mouse right now. Go to the settings. Here you will find the plugins. Just go to the marketplace and install this Dart and Flutter. Okay, just install these two and you are good to go now. If you want to see my theme, like if you wanted to see like my theme as well, just search on the one dark theme and you will able to see same thing. Okay, so it is the plugins part. Let me just show you the real quick things. Okay, before moving further, there are 2 to 3 things you have to do it real quick. Go to this package download button, SDK manager, go to it and just install it, like any of one of them. I will prefer Android 13 or Android 12. Do not go beneath them, just do not go it. Android 13 or Android 12, if you want it you can do it. SDK tool, accept the emulator of installer, hyperdrive installer, click all of them and install them. It will be like something like this. Okay, ignore the cross mark. You have to click on this and click on the apply, and SDK update side, no need to worry. SDK tool is ready, SDK platform is ready, and click on OK. Before clicking on OK, you have to remember that your active internet connection and at least good speed, and I will cancel it and you are good to go now. Okay, let me just this is your first project. Let's start your first project right now. Okay, before starting it, let's set up your Appwrite. Appwrite is also very good. If you are worked on the Firebase before, Appwrite is same like. Okay, let's start with the documentation part. Before the documentation, it says that you have to download the Docker. I have already downloaded the Docker. It just showing the folder, and double click on it. It will automatically download the Docker. Just simple install part. No need to worry. Okay. When you start with the Docker, it will look like this. Okay. You have to give at least 2 to 3 minutes to the Docker to set up completely. Okay. From now on, let me just show you a tip which you will find helpful if you have low end PC like me. Okay, just let me just close this. For the Flutter development, I would really prefer you use VS Code. Android Studio is a very great platform to uh, develop the apps, but I would prefer VS Code because VS Code, as you can see, it is a lightweight also, and it is a very great utility also. Let me just show you the real quick how to install it, how to run it, and how to manage your projects. Okay, just click double tap on it and accept the agreement and next. Make sure to add all this thing, like you should add to the part register code, add open with code to action, next, and install it. I'm not going to install it right now because I have already installed. Okay, what does this feature actually does? For an example, you created a new folder, let's say document, new folder. Okay, this is the new folder. I want to open VS Code here. just go to the show more options, and now you can easily say VS Code open with code. You just click on it and welcome to the folder. And now if you try to run anything, it will automatically save at the particular folder. So let's create, first of all, before creating, let's install the Appwrite also. Let's just what you can say, uh, just click, let's just complete the installation part here real quick. So go to this website. All the links are I told you in the description. Get started. Go to the CMD and click on this. Let me just, okay, it is already copied. Go to your CMD, like CMD. Before running that command, just real check it real quick that this should also come. Okay, Docker and this command also come to your hand. Okay, just paste it here, paste anyway, and run it. You have to give some time to him. Okay, it's choosing your server. Okay, as it is already says, like there are let me just show you a picture like how it will already show to you for your app, right? Inst Installation Docker. Just wait a second. Okay, good image. Okay, open image in tab. Yeah. Okay, there are you just put that command on the computer, and it this will generate this type of this. Uh, it pull complaints. What you can, sorry, not the complaint. Pull complete and many things. Okay, it will automatically download the app right on your system. Okay, from now on, let me just choose your server HTTP port. Default is yes. Enter. HTTPS port default is 443. No worries. Choose your secret API. Default is Raman. No worries. It is my name. So no worries. I wanted to do not change my this. Appwrite localhost yes. Same localhost yes. And running Docker. It just wait for it. Like it will take a 1 to 2 minutes to run, and just enter it. You have to just wait for it. Okay, this command will run real quick. Okay, from now on, go to the local host. Okay, this is Appwrite installed successfully. This will run it. Okay, this will prompt to you that Appwrite is on installed successfully. You just have to default is localhost. No worries, no things to worry right now. Okay, let me just search for localhost. You should probably able to see what I am seeing right now. Okay, go to the create new project. You should give any project name. We will do the installation and other parts to the next video dropping soon, just do not worry. Okay, from now on let me just show you how you can install it, or you can say run on the VS Code. It is a very great extension to for the Flutter development, not the Android development. Okay, let me just go to the terminal part. Let me just show you that you should play what you can say to print control and escape bottom key like this, and it will come and flutter create and full stop. Give it a minute. Okay, new folder is not a valid name. No worries. Let me just give it another name. Let's say Raman. Okay, Raman is a valid name. Okay, try again right now. Okay. I hope this is a valid name. Just flutter create and dot full stop. Okay, it is a creating project for me. It will resolving all the dependencies, and congratulations. Okay, it is a main.dart file which I have shown you in the Android Studio. No, uh, let me just close all the tab. It's literally hang. Okay, okay, I am running a command. to show you how it is. This piece of code, this beautiful piece of code, right? What the code is with Flutter run -d Chrome. This particular piece of code, sorry, command, it will run my uh, app. What you can say, it is in my state to the Chrome. It is launching my main.dart file in the Chrome. Okay, waiting for connection. Let's just wait for 5 to 10 minutes, or not 5 to 10 minutes, like 3 to 4 seconds. It will able to run it real quick. Okay, so it is already here. Just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, this is your beautiful first project of the Flutter. You have pushed the button. This is the plus button. You have to push it, and yep, it is. If you tooltip. Okay, guys, congratulations. You have created your first successful Flutter project, Flutter application. You can share it to a friend. That congratulations. And I'll drop my LinkedIn account if you want to tag me. Okay, so before turning off, let me just give you some real quick things, like it will really help you through the Flutter journey. So just install the plugins like awesome Flutter snippets, also better comments, code runner if you wanted to, uh, Dart and the Flutter. These two things are really necessary. Okay, this will really save a lot of time. And if you wanted to see like my theme, which I'm currently using, it is the Hack the Box. It is a great theme. And indent rainbow, if you wanted to use it, it will really help you out. Like when you let me just show you the real quick implementation. Like for an example, I am using the widget. I wanted to see when the widgets things are ending. So this line, this white line, if you wanted to see, if you are seeing correctly, it is showing like when the widget is complete ending. So this is the thing, material icon. It will this thing, if I wanted to, if I did not disable it, and if I disable it and see, it is no basic thing, like it does not it is not an interactive thing. So if I enable it again, there is my material. If I enable it and set the set the file icon theme to the material and see, voila, it is a beautiful theme, material icon, and yeah, it's you are good to go now. Like these are, and error lens is very important. It will tell you where the expected error is. Okay, so let me just congratulations guys for your first Flutter project, and I've told you how you can install the Flutter to the your version, to your system or computer or laptop, on Windows laptop. Okay, so bye bye guys.